Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Madcoin, its price prediction this year mega balloon because due to recent market crash, Mad price is also dumped badly here. Right now we are almost 12x down than its all-time high. Okay, few months ago Madcoin was very amazing meme coin. It had amazing hype in crypto market. Everyone was talking about Mad, but right now due to recent market crash its prices dump here. You can see last 24 hours dump almost 10%, and right now current price 5.039 dollars. Last 7 days 24% dump, last 14 days 21% dump, and last 30 days 56% dump here. So a massive dump in Mad. Also you can see friends, current market cap right now only 3.9 million dollars. All time high market cap was around 50 million dollars here. So right now, as like other meme coin, this meme coin is also in massive dip here. Trading volume is good, but with $6 billion trading volume, so trading volume is no doubt friends amazing. 999 billion coin supply, all the circulation. This is also a Solana ecosystem meme coin. You can see friends, Solana ecosystem meme coin. We are 94% down in its all-time high. Okay, there were 4 months ago, as I already told you, in November last year. Bed hit this all-time high price, and right now we are 488% up only. There is all-time low, so still this performance is good. FSXC, XD.com, Get.io, MEXC, these three central exchanges has already list this coin, and maybe in coming days if market will again recover, we can see a massive high for Solana ecosystem meme coin at that time. Then Bed has also potential to be the next listing for major central exchanges. And if you not join Get.io and MEXC yet, I will provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy these type of old meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. And friends, in my previous videos, I already show you website and Solana scan details. So I will directly tell you about the price prediction. That friends, coin is currently $3.9 million market cap. That is right now super low because already hit almost $50 million market cap. So due to recent market crashes, prices barely jump here, but it doesn't matter. Definitely, when we see BTC again above $100,000, at that time, definitely Solana can also hit $200 price, and then Solana ecosystem all meme coins will go upward here because right now Bonkino, Popcat, Peanut, Moondang, all other Binance listed meme coins are badly jumped here. So MAD is still listed on just 3 central exchanges. So definitely MAD has potential because it's still lots of central exchange listing left for MAD coin. So we have to wait for few months more here. If you already invested here, don't sell this meme coin at low price because you will be in loss right now. So I will just recommend you to wait for few more months here. After that, you can see Bitcoin price to the moon also, and this price current this market cap is the best buying price here. And if anyone interested to buy this coin, this price can be best price to buy this meme coin because friends, I don't think we can see massive dump again in the crypto market. The massive dump in especially in Bitcoin price because already we are almost 12x down from its all-time high. But no doubt this is the meme coin, and meme coin have no any special use case. They are all on just for hype, and right now we have no hype for meme coins. That's why all meme coins are dumping here. So if you're not investing here, do your own research and then invest here. But friends, personally, I think definitely Mad has potential. This is one of best Solana ecosystem meme coin. So definitely Mad has potential to do something good in long term. And this buying price is good. But if you're gonna buy at your own risk. But coin is good.